The first batch. Alright y'all, so I'm going to pause because it's now 3:50, almost 4 o'clock. I don't think DJ's getting off work until about 6, so I don't want to cook the whole batch. I just wanted to see how it's going to turn out. So right now I am working on starting the rice. I have my peas boiling. I already strained it. I have it boiling in coconut milk. And now I'm just fouetting my cloves inside of my scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to put 5 of them in here. And this is for flavor, spice, all that good thing, everything nice. Alright, so I'm going to pop that in. This is a cloves stuffed inside of a scotch bonnet. And we do this for flavor. Yeah. So, I forgot. I'm going to do a taste test with y'all. With the pickles. I bought these pickles from Food Town. I know I can make it, but it was just too much things to make from scratch. And then I'm not feeling good, so whatever. So I'm gonna try some of this with this pickles store-bought. I don't want to use my finger. All right, before we taste the Griot, let's go ahead and add our cleaned, washed rice. I watched a video yesterday, and she said to add it by hand, and that's why I don't. Because what the heck? No. Nope. Here's the pickles and the grill. I'm just gonna take a scoop and put it on tap like this. All right, here it is. There. It's good. Gonna make a nigga wanna wife me. Oh, he already did. So good. Eat the whole meal now.
Oh,
Hurry up, I ain't got that much memory.
Wow. Dang. Girl. That's cooked really well. That's cooked really well. I can taste all the seasoning in it, however you season it. Wow. This really make me on. Wow, man. Oh wow, those are good. Woo. As usual. Oh my gosh. Shit, with pepper. Wow, yeah. This plantain though, baby. Oh my gosh.
Bun and pizzy.
Bun and busy.
Pizzy.
Pezze. Oh my gosh.
Put some pickles on there. Don't eat it by itself.
Man. Woo. That's some soup. That's amazing, baby.
Cute.
That's really amazing. Oh my god.
Oh, freshly squeezed lemonade. Try that. Wash it down real quick.
Freshly squeezed lemonade.
Freshly squeezed. I took my time on that thing. Yeah. Chick-fil-A, what's up?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Dang. To think that's freshly squeezed, bro, that's like.
I got proof.
Dang.
I squeezed 10 lemons.
10 lemons? Wow, baby.
How would you rate the overall meal?
The overall meal? Oh, girl. What I'm rating, 1 out of what?
10.
Girl, cause this. I'm gonna give you 11.5.
Period.
11.5.
Period, sir.
The grill though, you did it, baby.
Hey, thank you.
You did it.
Come into a restaurant near you.
Oh my god. I feel like every time like you cook, it's almost like, well, a lot of times when you cook, it's almost like everything is like top tier. Like you think you like, it's like I don't even know how to explain it. I'm glad you like actually like you really enjoy it. Like
And recorded 2 times, real and video.
in a lot of ways, I'm so grateful how like our relationship played out the way it did. Because you been with me all the time, you know, it gave you a, you know, like a real legit opportunity for you to
B.
You know what I mean? Yeah. And like be an adult and do this and get in the kitchen and do this. You know, and the beautiful part is you didn't do it out of like any force or, you know, you like I didn't feel you doing it out of like you owe me something. You know what I mean? You really did it because you genuinely wanted to do it. And the more you did it, you know, the more like the desire and it's like. So I watch you like, you know, like you always been a good cook, but like I've watched you like grow and get even better. Girl, I love good food, dog. Especially Asian food too.
Oh.